What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ShaniceAlisha, and y'all already know we are back with another video, baby. So for everyone that is new, welcome, and for my ride or die babies, hey y'all, I hope you guys can hear me over this rain. It's being so disrespectful, but y'all, the show must go on. All right, so if I can't edit all of it out, hopefully you guys enjoy the soft, soothing, melodic sounds of those raindrops hitting my window. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into today's video. I am going to talk about how to protect your hair before protective styling. I know it may sound simple, but these 5 key tips that I have to share with you guys will make a difference in your progress as you protective style. Now, a brief update on how my 2018 protective style journey is going. I ain't shit, I ain't loyal. This is only my 2nd style and it's damn near August. But in my defense, I have been bringing some pretty good natural hair content to you guys, and I can't do that protective styling, right? So that's going to be my excuse for the evening. Anyway, hopping right into tip number 1. Strongly advise trimming your ends before moving into a protective style. I mean, you have split ends, single strand knots, they're dry, they're brittle, they're damaged, and if they need to go, it makes no sense to keep them as you want your hair to grow and progress through your protective style. So go ahead and let go of all your dead weight, all your loose ends, so that while you put your hair up, it can really thrive and grow healthy. I don't know if anybody understands that split ends can split to the root. I don't know what's the obsession with keeping this length over health ordeal y'all got going on, but baby, that bra strap length will come back even better if you get rid of your dead ends. So, moving on, tip number 2, detox and clarify your scalp and your hair before a protective style. Now, I recently uploaded a clay mask video on my natural hair here on my channel, and I'll link it above, or it'll be in the description box for you guys to view after this one. But I used this Indian healing clay, and it was so good, y'all. It just felt like a cleansing, like purifying. It pulled out all the dirt and buildup from my scalp and my hair, and it just, you know, it placed back some elasticity in my hair, and my hair just felt like a brand new head of natural hair. It really helped with my curl pattern and just removing any buildup that I had. I did mix it up with only apple cider vinegar and the clay in equal portions, but you guys will see more of that in that video. I really feel like this is an efficient way to make sure that your hair is the cleanest that it can be before doing a protective style that won't allow you to necessarily cleanse your scalp and your hair the way you would like. So, now, tip number 3, replenishing your hair and sealing it with lots of moisture. So I did, before this particular style, co-wash my hair with the Tresemme moisture rich conditioner, and then I moved in with my Mielle Organics Babassu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. This thing, y'all, smells so good. The only downside is that it is super small. So I mean, in one deep condition, I use half of this bottle, but I feel like it is worth it if you're only doing this type of deep conditioner every once in a while. The other one I use is a bigger tub, so I don't be pressed that bad. I do feel like it gave my hair a lot of slip. It really penetrated into my shafts, and along with it, I use a mixture of oils, and I sat with it under a plastic cap for about maybe 15 to 30 minutes, and my hair came out so soft. Moisture was locked in, so when I went to blow my hair out before I got this style done, I could just feel on my hair how like soft it was. It didn't feel dry, it didn't feel brittle. If you do want to use a heat protectant before you move into a protective style, I do recommend that, because most times they need your hair to be blown out, so you don't want to cause any heat damage trying to protect your hair as well. Now, if you don't want to deep condition, you can also do a hot oil treatment. So this is from African Pride, and it's called the Moisture Miracle, and it has 5 essential oils in there. So it has castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive, and then it's also enriched with vitamin E. So each and every oil from this mixture has a certain benefit for your hair and is really geared towards promoting healthy hair growth. So I feel like if you did want to do a hot oil treatment with this, you will reap the benefits of all that each oil has to give. And that's another way to really lock in some moisture in your hair in a fast way so that it can be a whole lot healthier for your protective styling. Now, tip number 4. While your protective style is in, your work is not over. You always have to make sure that you're nourishing and conditioning your scalp. You want to relieve any dryness and add sheen back into your hair, especially while it's in the style. So one of my favorites is by this African Pride brand again, and it's just an original braid spray. I mean, I've been using this since I was yay high to a grasshopper. Okay, back in the day we used to get braids for the summer and mama sent you off to summer camp. So I did get the original formula in this one. I did look to see if it had like mineral oils, parabens, sulfates, and all of that stuff, which this one did not. The other formula did. So if you're a stickler about ingredients inside your products, just read them, because this will be something you'll be adding into your hair that you can't immediately rinse out. So now, last and final, tip number 5, you need to make sure that you are oiling your scalp and giving yourself scalp massages to promote that blood circulation so that your hair can continue growing. This is currently one of my favorites. It's the Wild Growth Hair Oil. It smells like a pepperminty, like earthy smell. It's not my favorite. I personally think it smells a little more on the funky side, but it is good for your hair, and I did want to continue using something that's going to promote my hair growth while it's up in the protective style, because that's the entire reason of it, to give my hair a break, and then to see rapid hair growth without having to manipulate my hair a whole lot. So y'all, that is it. Those are my 5 tips on how to protect your hair before protective styling, which is a key, because you don't understand how damaging it can be if you're not taking care of the hair underneath the protective style. So this goes for braids, twists, crochet, wigs, sew-ins, anything that you could think of. You have to take care of your scalp and hair first. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope someone learned something from it. You guys already know the drill. Like this video, comment down below any of your suggestions, what you do when you're protective styling, and then videos that you may want to see here on my channel. And don't forget guys, press that red subscribe button and tap the bell.